Are you ready to unlock the secrets of your menstrual cycle? Today, we were diving deep into the fascinating world of ovulation and how you can know when it's happening. Get ready to discover the sign and signal that your body gives you during the crucial phase of your fertility journey. So, let's jump right in. Understanding ovulation. Ovulation is a key event in a woman's menstrual cycle when a mature egg is released from the ovary. It is the prime time for conception and an essential step if you are trying to get pregnant. But how do you know when you are ovulating? Let's find out. Tracking your menstrual cycle. The first step in understanding your ovulation is to track your menstrual cycle. Your menstrual cycle begins on the first day of your period and ends the day before your next period starts. Most women have a cycle length of around 28 days, but it can vary from person to person. Observing changes in cervical mucus. During ovulation, your body produces cervical mucus that becomes thin, slippery, and stretchy, resembling the consistency of egg whites. This type of mucus helps sperm travel through the cervix and into the fallopian tubes, increase the chances of fertilization. Noticing changes in basal body temperature. Another way to determine ovulation is by monitoring your basal body temperature. Your BBT is your body's lowest resting temperature, and it's likely increase after the ovulation. By tracking your BBT daily and charting the changes, you can identify a pattern and pinpoint when you ovulate. Paying attention to ovulation pain or middle smudge. Some women experience a slight twinge or pain on side of their lower abdomen during the ovulation. This sensation, known as middle smudge, can last a few minutes to a few hours. If you regularly notice this discomfort, it can be a helpful indicator that you are ovulating. Utilizing ovulation prediction kits, OPKS. Ovulation prediction kits or OPKS are an excellent tool for tracking ovulation. These kits detect the surge of luteinizing hormone in your urine, which occurs a day or two before ovulation. By following the instruction on the kit, you can predict when you are most fertile and ready for baby making. Monitoring changes in cervical position. The position of your cervix changes throughout your menstrual cycle. During ovulation, the cervix becomes higher, softer, and more open to allow sperm to enter the uterus easily. By learning to feel the changes in your cervical position, you can gather additional clues about your ovulation status. Noticing increased libido. Have you noticed an upsurge in your sex drive? It might be a sign that you're ovulating. Many women experience heightened libido during their fertile window, making it a fun and enjoyable way to detect ovulation. Using smartphone apps and fertility tracker. In this digital age, there are numerous smartphone apps and fertility trackers available to help you monitor your menstrual cycle and predict ovulation. These apps use algorithms based on your cycle length and symptom to estimate your fertile days. They can be a convenient and user-friendly option for tracking ovulation. Putting it all together. Now that you know the different methods for detecting ovulation, it's essential to combine them and look for patterns in your body's signal. Each woman's experience is unique, so finding what works best for you may take some time and experimentation. Remember, it's a journey, and understanding your body is a fantastic step towards taking control of your fertility. Congratulations, you are now armed with the knowledge to identify when you're ovulating. Understanding your ovulation can be a powerful tool, whether you're trying to conceive or simply want to understand your body better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and happy ovulation.